So we will continue with coordinate geometry. Today we will study about the collinear points. Collinear points. Collinear, try to understand the meaning is three points are said to be collinear if they remain on a same straight line. Like these are the collinear points, but if I put here they are not on the same straight line, so you can say ABC are not collinear. This is collinear points. This is not collinear. Okay, but we are studying coordinate geometry. So what is the concept of coordinate geometry on these collinear points? Now when you use the distance formula, that is AB plus BC should be equal to AC. AB plus BC should be equal to AC. So we use this concept using distance formula that the points are collinear. Now see now, suppose I take 3 points here, so that the points B, that is -1 feet. Don't take ABC, only you take points. -1 feet, then it is 4 minus 2 are collinear points. So what we'll do is put them here A, B, C. This is 2, 0. This is -1, 3. This is 4 minus 2. So find out what is AB. Distance formula. -1 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square root over. So it is -3 square plus 3 square. It is 9 plus 9. So learn a technique. How many 9s? 2 9s. 2 9 means you write 2 into 9 root over. Big numbers also will come. You will try to solve in this way when same numbers are there. So 2 into 9 means 9 ka root over 3. 2 means root 2. So B you got 3 root 2. Let's find out BC. BC 4 minus -1. 4 minus -1 whole square minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 whole square. So 4 minus plus, so 4 plus 1 5. 5 square plus minus 5 square is 25. This is also 25. 225. 225 means 2 into 25 root over. That is 5 root 2. Now AC, you find out what is AC. AC 4 minus 2 whole square minus 2 minus 0 whole square root over. So let's drop this. That is 2 square plus minus 2 square. So that is 4 plus 4 means 2 times 4. 2 times 4, 4 ka to 2 root 2. Now you can check AB you got 3 root 2, BC you got 5 root 2, DC you got 2 root 2. That means you are finding 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 equals to 5 root 2. This is your AB. This is your AC. AC equals to BC. Means sum of any two should be equal to third one. Then that is called collinear. So how is the line? A is a common point. A is here. B is here. C is here. AB. AB plus AC equals to BC. Collinear. Okay. So you try a question. I am giving two questions here. Verify if the following points are collinear, like 2 0 3 1 1 5. Second, minus 1 2 2 minus 3 3 4. So try using same concept. Sum of any two distance should be equal to third one. Okay, this is about collinear points. Now today you study internal and external division. Internal and external division, that is ratio formula. Ratio formula. Suppose there is a line AB whose coordinate is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. P is a point whose coordinate is xy. Suppose this divides in the ratio m is to n. That means A to P the value is n, P to B the value is n. Then this is P is a point, so P divides AB in the ratio m is to n internal. Internally means P is a point between these two. So how to find P coordinate? Then x का वैल्यू होगा फॉर्मूला mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Y my2 my2 y coordinate y2 n y1 m plus n. So second one is if P xy divides AB in the ratio m is to n externally. Externally means A is here, B is here, P is here. P is outside. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. This is xy. This distance is in. This distance is in. So here P was inside, here P is outside. So to find the value of P, same formula you have to use, but this will be minus. mx2 minus nx1 by n minus n. my2 minus ny1 by n minus. Okay, so let's take 2-3 questions on this. Find the coordinates of P which divides the line joining points P1, P2 in the ratio 2:3 internal. Okay, look at here. So there is a line, sorry, point A, point B. This is 2, 1. This is P2. This you call x1, y1. This you call x2, y2. P is a point inside. P is a point inside. Divides in the ratio 2:3. Means this is 2, this is 3. Means your x1, y1 is 2, 1. x2, y2 is 3, 2. mn is 2, 3. So what is the formula? X mx2 nx1 n plus n. Means what shall I write? Then I have to write just how to, if you don't remember formula also, you can write 2 into 3. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2 by n plus n, 2 plus 3. This is 5 plus 5. 10 by 5, that is 2. Y m y2 n y2 n y1 n plus n formula n y2, that is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 by n plus n, 2 plus 3. So how much you got? 4 plus 3, 7 by 5. Therefore the coordinate is 2, 7 by 5. Okay, then suppose find the coordinates of the point P, suppose, which divides the line joining points to find 3 2 externally in the ratio 5:3, 5:3. So this is, you can write like this. It's confusing. A is B is here, P is here. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Point is 2, 5. This is 3, 2. So this ratio is given 5:3. If you put here, this is confusing because this is 5, this is 3. But I can write here m/n is 5:3. Okay, formula to one you have to remember. What is that formula? Formula is x is mx2 minus mx1 by m minus n. Same formula but minus sign. mx2, m means 5, x2 means 3, 5 into 3, minus nx1, n means what? 3, x1 means 2, m minus n, 5 minus 3. So 15 minus 6, 9, 9 by 2. Y ny2, ny1, m minus n. my2, m means 5, y2 means 2, 5 into 2, minus ny1, n means 3, y1 is 5, m minus n, 5 minus 3, a minus 15, minus 5 by 2. Therefore xy, x कितना 9 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So formula if you remember, you can do. So let me give you 2 questions to solve. Find the coordinates of the point which divides, what is the point means P you have to find out, which divides the line joining points 3, 5, 2, 8 in the ratio first 2:1 internal. Mean this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is mn. Same x1 y1, x2 y2. Second question is 3:1 external. Okay, so you try to solve this. Now you continue the same ratio formula, midpoint formula you call. Midpoint means bisection formula. But you have to remember midpoint, like A is here, x1, y1, B is here, x2, y2. This is the point P, XY. Midpoint means midpoint means 1:1 ratio. Means M is 1, N is also 1. So how to remember? X1 plus X2 by 2 and M plus N means 1 plus 1 by 2. Mx2, M is 1, so I am not writing 1 here. Y will be Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Okay? Now, if you get a question on this, how to solve? Find the coordinates of the point of bisection of the line joining points two, 3 and 3, 5. Ratio bisection 1:1. So this is A, this is B, this is 2, 3, this is 3, 5. Here is the point P which you want to find. Formula I gave you just now. What is X? X1 plus X2 by 2. What is X1? X1 is 2. X2 is 3. So that is 2 plus 3 by 2 means 5 by 2. Okay. Y equals to Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Y1 means 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 by 2. 8 by 2, that is 4. Therefore, XY 5 by 2, 4. Okay. So one question homework for you. Just changing down values. -1, 3. 3 minus 2. Okay, we'll try this. This question also comes in some other way. Right? I'll tell you. Suppose there is a circle. This is diameter. AP is diameter. O is the center. Center means midpoint. 1:1. Okay? If you are asked to find coordinate of O, then same formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So what will be the question on this? Find the coordinates of the center of the circle. Find the coordinates of the center of the circle the line joining end points of the diameter are 4, 2 and 3, 5 respectively. Okay, what is given? Find the coordinate of the center, means O you want to find out, which is x1. How to find? The line joining the end points of the diameter of the circle or this is is 4 2. This is 3 5. Okay, that means what you have to do? 4 x1 plus x2 by 2. Directly लिखो x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. That is 4 plus 3 by 2. 7 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. 2 plus 5 by 2. That is also 7 by 2. Therefore, xy 7 by 2, 7 by 2. Okay, simple question. Try one. Like this is 1 3. This is 2 4. Same formula you have to use. Now, this question also can be asked in the sum of the root. Question is, the center of a circle is 2 5. 2 5. If the coordinates of one end of the diameter is 3 1, find the other coordinates of other end of the diameter. Find the coordinates of other end of the diameter. Okay, very interesting. See here. Let me draw this circle here. This is the diameter. Center is 2 5. This is 2 5. One end is 3 1. This is a 3 1. Find coordinates of the other end, means B you have to find out. B is what? x2 y2. I think you can check x2 y2. Okay, formula is what? This is your xy. This is xy. So what is the formula? X equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. This is the formula. X means 2. 2 equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, means 3 plus x2 by 2. 3 plus x2 by 2. Do cross multiplication. 2 into 2 equals to 3 plus x2. So 4 minus 3 equals to x2. Implies x2 equals to 1. Means first you got x2. Okay. Similarly, y का formula y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 plus y2. y की जगह पर क्या लिखोगे? y means 5. 5 equals to y1. y1 means 1 plus y2. 1 plus y2 by 2. Cross multiplication. 5 into 2 equals to 1 plus y2. 10 equals to 1 plus y2. So y2 equals to 10 minus 1, that is 9. Therefore, x2 y2, x2 how much? 1 and 9. Okay, you try a question. Same I am changing. Center is 4 3. Point is -1 2. You try the negative sign because sometimes you do a mistake on this. I am giving it. So try to solve. This is your homework. So try to complete this new questions tomorrow.